easy. They just haven't seen love this plainly. When they ask what on earth is going on, just tune your record in and play this song. 'Cause to me our love is like an old-fashioned finest whiskey poured out in our glasses. You are something sweet, sip you slow then repeat. You're the habit I thought I could be, but old-fashioned love's got a hold on me. Baby, I don't care, I don't think I'd even mind between holding your hand, what I'm feeling in the bottle.
Here's something pretty cool. An old, very old field roller. Made out of, I don't know if they're really old tractor wheels or traction engine wheels all welded together. Timber frame. Timber's all a bit rotten. All these wheels, both skinnies and wide ones, welded together. Red Flintstone. Big solid axle, just used with the timber cut. Timber cut so it just spins in the timber. The plough disc is a retainer. Pretty clever for the day, I'm assuming. The old farm equipment. Taking a while to do these fields. We've got an old combine sower. Steer wheel. There's a gearbox to drive the seeders. Still see a bit of the old sign writing. McCormick International. Timbers are all gone. There's normally a board that runs along here that you can stand on. Put your bags on to load them. See a bit of a sign writing along the back as well. Fairly basic, these setups. A few hoses left on. See all the little gears driven. That's driven by wheel speed on little metering rods. Hose came down right behind the head there that digs the furrow, drops the seed straight in the back, all gravity fed. And just adjusted the gears to what seed rate you wanted. So there's the hinges, good. Yeah. Seat in the back from memory, and the front one is where you put your super or your shirt.
Come and settle down a while.
Weird one, a very similar one, except it had rubber tyres instead of the steel tyres. When I was a kid, we did, I don't know, can't remember, we only planted about 40, 50 acres or something. So along the old David Brown, and as kids we'd stand on the back and make sure it didn't go empty. And she's parked up here on this big old wheat property. She only parked because it got replaced. It's still been working fine. Just another part of Australian farming history.